Salam and hello everybody. I hope you're all doing really well today. Alhamdulillah, I'm very well, thank you. So for today's video, I wanted to do a living room cleaning routine video. So I'm going to take you along while I clean my living room, which is an absolute tip at the moment. Well, the table's disgusting, it's covered in food. That was all Ayub, and he's sleeping at the moment in the living room. That's why I'm in the corridor. So when we go in there, we need to try and be quiet. But even if he wakes up, it's fine. But it's just like I'm going to be cleaning and he's just going to make a mess around me. So yeah, we'll just do a thorough kind of clean and see how it goes. So I've got all my cleaning supplies, I'll show you, and then we can make a start. So I'm going to put a cap full of this Flora Country Garden one into the spray bottle. And then fill up the bottle with some water. This is hot water, well, warm water. So I've got my lovely cleaning gloves here. There's the Flora mix that I just mixed, a microfiber cloth, my lovely spray mop which I recently bought from Pound Stretcher. I can't wait to use it, I've not actually used it yet, duster, and the vacuum cleaner, the Hoover. So if I need anything else, I'll just bring it along, but let's go make a start, my loves. So I'm going to try and speak a little bit quieter. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess. It doesn't actually look too bad in the camera, but it's a tip, or maybe you think it's a tip, but to me that looks alright. So definitely gonna hoover. The table is a real mess, so you might have been having some cake or just been playing with it. Got some slices of bread there. The toys, like there's a lot that I need to put away, like that inflatable ring. He doesn't need that anymore, mashallah, he started walking, so I can put that away. Sort the curtains out, clean the windowsills, and just sort the cushions out, sort the covers out, and then I'll finish off with a mop. There's just a random spoon, remote control upside down. Yeah, nice clean. So before I begin, I'm going to pop some Quran recitation on.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi alladhi anzala ala abdihi al-kitaba wa lam yaj'al lahu 'iwaja.
So I'm going to start at this shelf. I actually cleaned it up quite recently, kind of rearranged everything, so I don't need to dust it, and I don't think I need to do much with it. This lampshade is not actually meant to be here, it's meant to be on the table, but Ayub keeps picking it. So next I'm going to clean the TV. So I'm using the Flora mix and a dry microfiber cloth. The area around the light switch is disgusting. The door frame is disgusting. The doors are really dirty as well. Need to clean them as well if I get a chance. clean the windowsills, so I need to move this sofa out of the way. So I'm just going to spray there's a floral mix on the curtains to give the room a nice aroma. So it's going in my face. So now it's time to clean the coffee table, which is clearly the prettiest part of the room so far. I'll probably end up eating that cake. I'm not going to throw it away, but these bits of bread are a little bit dry. So I'll pop that in the kitchen. Yeah, and I need to empty this out actually. This tip. I've got a lot of paperwork to sort through, just letters and stuff, so I'm going to empty this coffee table drawer and deal with it hopefully later today. It's got tiny toys, broken bits of toys, random battery dominoes, I don't know whose they are. So baby, are you decided it's time to wake up now? It was time to wake up, so he's gonna help me, you know, not hinder. Help me, everybody. Yeah. I love when these drawers are empty and clean, but like give it 1 week, it'll have filled up again. Isn't it, baby love? It's better. And this is the only thing that needs to be in there. I don't need the candle, baby love. Don't go there. You want to blow it out like that? Good boy. Where are you going? Now. Come back here, you cheeky chops. Come back here, you cheeky chops. Much better. So I'm going to have a go at tackling these toys now. Seeing what actually needs to be here and what can just go away. Go away. So, baby walker, he still uses that. Come on in. Coming, it's calling him. Here you go, baby. This can go away. Don't need it. I should really deflate it, but I'll just put it away like that for now. Right, this shouldn't even be here. This should be upstairs in the boys' room. This can go away. Don't even play on it. There, Ma. Are you coming? You coming? Is Mummy messing with your toys? Let me go and get a bag. So that is literally all he needs. The rest can be put away. So next I'm going to move this rug. So I'm going to hoover it, turn it upside down, hoover the back of it, because I remember reading that if you hoover the back of it, like loads of dust is released, and then you can hoover the front again, something like that anyway. So yeah, I'm going to hoover the rug. Yes baby, and then we're going to move that out of the way. Then I can clean under the sofas properly and then put it back. So, this table out of the way first. So I'm going to move the sofas around and then brush and mop underneath with the spray mop. The whole room only needs like a light mop, because most of it's covered with the rug. So behind here. Looking out the window. So I'm excited to use my spray mop. This spray mop's from Pound Stretcher, in case you've not seen my Pound Stretcher haul. Let's see how it does. Ooh, it sprays very nicely so far. It's nice. Good sturdy mop. Definitely feels stronger than the last one I had. You want to go for a ride? Whee! Whee! Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck on this ride, baby. Whee! done now. Mashallah, the living room is clean, it's fresh, it's less cluttered, less toys everywhere. The floor is kind of shining, the rug is nice and clean. The sofas don't have any covers thrown all over them, and I'm happy. The kids will be back from school in about half an hour, so that'll be ruined then. But for now, for half an hour, I shall enjoy. Is there still a mark on the TV, or is it my eyes playing up? But anyway, there's my living room all cleaned up. Feels like a brand new house. I love it, mashallah. But yeah, that's it. Ayub's fed up. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this cleaning video. If you want to see more, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.